Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one is a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has the luxury line with the hood ornament in the front, luxury exterior and interior, 18-inch split 5-spoke wheels, adaptive high beam assist, lighting package, a black MB Tex interior, natural grain black ash wood trim, panorama sunroof, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, comfort box for extra storage, clean set of floor mats, electronic trunk, premium 2 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, warmth and comfort package, rapid heated seats, rapid armrest, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, parking cameras. This E-Class has 29,973 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.